So we have a chemistry question that says calcium hydroxide is a base, which ion present in the compound is responsible for basic properties. Okay, now you need to understand that when they say basic properties, we are talking about the properties of a base. What is a base? A base is a substance which, when react with an acid, it produces salt and water. In simple terms, a base is an oxide or hydroxide of a metal. For example, if I say calcium oxide is a base, if I say calcium hydroxide is also a base. But now here we are given what? Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is also known as lime water. But what exactly is it? It is just a white colorless substance which is made up of hydroxide and calcium. Calcium is a metal, hydroxide is a radical. Now, okay, now the question is saying which ion present. Now you need to understand that when this substance dissolves in water, it's going to produce calcium ions and what? Hydroxide ions. Okay, so when this substance dissolves in water, it produces calcium ions and hydroxide ions. Now when we come back to a base, remember what I said about a base. Now a base which can dissolve in water, we call it alkali. This word here, a base which can dissolve in water, meaning to disappear in water, we call it what? Alkali. So what exactly is an alkali? An alkali is a substance which, when dissolves in water, it produces hydroxide ions as the only charge ions or negative charge ions. Meaning that if you get a substance, you put it in water, it produces hydroxide ions as the only negative charge ions in that solution or water. Then that one is known as what? An alkali. So now coming back to the question, it's saying which ion. So there are two ions in simple terms. We have these ones and these ones. So which ion present in the compound? Which compound? This compound is responsible for basic property. So meaning that the base is being determined by which property? The hydroxide ion. So the answer here, it is what? Hydroxide ions, which are negative there.